here. Go with Sophie.
No, oh
yeah, let her be here. I'm so nervous. I don't even know. Hey guys, how are you? This is Leslie. And today we're gonna do blindfolded challenge. Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Okay, blindfolded challenge. So she's gonna do my makeup while she's blindfolded, and then I'll do hers. So yeah, let's get started.
This is the Urban Decay and primer. It's so bright.
Why do you smell it?
Because I've seen videos.
Okay.
I really want to look, but is this a primer?
I don't know.
This is for your eye. What am I doing? Hold on. Did I get some on my finger? Yeah, I did.
What? Why is it only on one side of my face?
Working on the other side. Wait, I should probably do your eyes first. Because I put primer. I have no idea what your concealer looks like.
Oh, I want you to put my concealer.
Okay, go grab it. And go with this one. I'm trying to...
You grabbed it already.
Okay, why? Why am I going? Oh, this is lipstick. Lipstick. Can I change it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Can I see you? It's gonna be a nice blush, right?
Oh. Okay. Wait, okay. Oh, this is sticky. That's not even fun. What am I doing to your face? I'm not doing a good job.
Is she not, Sophie? You're doing great. I love it.
Thank you. Is this blush?
I don't know.
I'm gonna move on to eye. This is not, but I'm gonna assume this is under. Do you have a brush for it?
Use the same thing that you use for the stick. Okay. That's my hair. They're pretty colors though. No.
They are?
Yeah.
Like colorful?
Yeah. Is it colorful? Yes, please palette.
Are the colors pretty at least?
Sure.
Is it colorful? The
One
palette?
of them is.
Okay. I think this is it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so nerve-wracking.
Based on what I felt, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, that looked pretty good.
It does?
That last application was pretty good.
Good. I think this was concealer. I think that's lipstick. Kita. not bad. You look pretty.
I don't look pretty.
You always look pretty.
Aw, thanks.
Yeah.
The brows aren't that bad. That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
see? Cause you have good brows.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The lipstick was bad.
The lipstick. Let me see.
Look at the eyeliner. I don't think this one was that bad.
That's what I'm saying. The end was, you know, but...
Let's start with primer. Where's your face? There you go. Good.
It's just not wet. It's okay.
Mine was wet.
I know.
Just gonna put some here. Do I have even some product here?
Yeah.
Okay. I think mine's gonna go worse than yours.
Why?
I don't know.
So now you're smelling it.
Because you smelled
You've done
it.
so much crap.
Because you smelled it. Is this? No. Sure. Oh, sorry. Okay. Was she other eye? Okay. Am I doing good, Sophie?
It looks great.
What?
Okay, keep going.
Eyes. I think this is the palette. No, it was the Morphe. It's bigger. Kira, move.
Cute.
What?
I don't know what color you want.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
It's a pretty color.
It's gonna be your decision shade.
Okay. Thank you.
That's good.
Right?
Gonna put something in the inner corner of your eye.
Okay. Do you want me to get closer?
No, that's fine. Why?
Just like your beauty blender.
Oh, see?
Did I break it?
Yeah, you did.
Sorry.
No, just use another one because that one's about a... It's like very cheap. I bought it at Target.
Okay.
But it's a good one.
Ooh, this is from Benefit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I'm gonna color it like you did.
But mine turned out good.
Have to fade like some hairs here.
Yeah.
And then on the end. That's good. This is eyeliner. This is the one that you showed us, I'm pretty sure.
Which one? The Chanel one?
Yeah. Yes. I'm pretty sure it is.
Okay.
I hope it is. I don't know. This was mascara, so I'm gonna leave it here. I don't even know what's your bronzer or what's your blush.
Well, you'll find out.
It's gonna be your blush and bronzer and everything though.
Okay.
Where is it? You don't find out. This lipstick. Cool. You're ready. You're beautiful. Okay. Oh my god! Lipstick wasn't so bad.
I did better than you. Wait, Sophie, who did better?
You did better. But to be fair, it's mostly because you barely got product when you did like the foundation.
And you can't even look at her eyes. They look so good.
I was talking
Your
about
eyes look
foundation.
terrible.
Alright, fine.
a bit of everything. I lost already, like where I had everything.
What do you guys think you're holding?
I'm trying to look for eyebrow.
I think I found mine.
I'm so scared. Found mine.
This is so weird.
This is probably not your shade of eyebrow.
I doubt it.
Yeah, you have a darker eyebrow.
And a lighter one. Oh wow, I like this.
Which one?
This thing. What's it called? Brush. This brush.
Which one?
I don't know. It has two sides.
Oh, I like it too. It's from Naked.
I love it.
Oh.
This is your transition shade.
Crease.
Beautiful.
See anymore.
She's with me. She's like, who is this woman?
Oh gosh, that's Kita.
What?
I was like, what's going on? Because my eyes are closed. It's Kita.
I cannot find the eyeliner.
Okay, I did your eyebrows. I did eyeliner. I did eyeshadow. You did mascara.
You did eyeliner?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm that quick.
Okay. Can you put the mascara once you're done?
Can I use your mascara?
One. You can use mine.
Okay, cool. I'm just getting mad.
Here.
So I find out.
It's the little one that you kept picking up. It's a mascara. Sample size because I'm broke.
Girl, I'll do sample sizes too. Where's your mouth?
Where's your mouth? You don't get it either.
And your finger! Okay, got half of the mouth.
I can't find your mouth.
You were doing my fingers. Next time we should do a challenge where like we do this and we go out with the makeup.
No.
Yes.
It's not.
Is
This is your cheekbone.
this? Yes.
And then I remember that this was kind of like a bronzer. Beautiful. Okay, I finished.
Okay, hold on.
What?
I just looked at Amanda.
Wait, can I see the bronzer that you used, please?
Do you need a brush?
Yes, thank you. Well, I know this is not a bronzer. This is freaking blush.
This is a bronzer. You done?
Yes.
Can we open our eyes?
Can we open?
Okay, one,
One,
2, 3. You're so pretty.
Is it?
I think yours is way better than mine.
I can't see it. Oh my god. This is pretty.
The eyes are pretty. What do I do when you have that? Why did you put
Both of yours look so much better than mine. That's why I started laughing because I looked over after she was done putting lipstick and I saw it was concealer and I'm like, oh my god.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below. And if you want to see them more often on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you. Bye.